It is a new year and we have renewed energy. We have started the year strong with our CAPE STEM workshops right here at the UWI in partnership with the Science and Technology Department. We have CAPE students from right across Jamaica looking at different subjects within the STEM area, and we are preparing them for their CAPE exams coming up. Let's take a look. In 2023, we started a 5-year partnership with the Department of Science and Technology to sponsor CAPE students in preparation for their CAPE exams for these CAPE STEM workshops. This partnership is valued at $100,000, and we do this because the JPS Foundation focuses on developing STEM education in Jamaica. We want to ensure that we are preparing our bright minds to be the innovators and problem solvers of tomorrow.
One degree more and you have changed state from liquid to gaseous. The same thing applies to you all and your personal lives. Think about what does that 1 degree more look like for you. That 1 degree more may mean studying an extra hour a day. That 1 degree more may mean going to bed earlier. That 1 degree more may mean making a sacrifice to come out and be here during this workshop. Various sacrifices and various things represent that 1 degree.